So it begins. Binghamton, you really do know how to throw a party. That out of the way, we're gonna need a little rock salt. The roads are looking pretty bad. City of Binghamton, thanks for not plowing. Big shout out to Matthews Mazda. They actually no longer deal in Mazda, so thank you to Matthews Subaru for lending me this sweet winter sled. New 2020 Subaru Forester, loved by hippie moms the world over, and the envy of any two-wheel drive vehicle owner. And if you guys have never been in one of these, they're actually pretty sweet. The interior is nice. You got your traction control. Forester makes snow shoveling look like a waste of time. Through Forester, you don't need to lift your legs up high walking through snow. The Subaru Forester leaves many to question, why is there even a need for snow blowing? Why even salt your sidewalks when you drive a Subaru Forester? And the shovel? Subaru Forester owners have never even heard of one. Rock salt? What in the world is that? Your morning certainly will not start like this if you drive a Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester shovels itself out of the snow. Freshly pressed linen? Subaru Forester will carry that for you too. There's no need to beat on that ice when you're driving a Subaru Forester. Trees even hold on to the snow to keep it out of your path when you're driving a Subaru Forester. And women even stop and shovel the pathway for you. Even plow trucks give right of way when you drive a Subaru Forester.